Hello everyone! Today, we're going to demystify the process of naming inorganic compounds. It might seem like learning a new language, but once you know the rules, it's a very logical system that you can master. We'll break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First, let's tackle ionic compounds, which involve a metal and a non-metal. The simplest type, often called type 1, involves metals that have a fixed, predictable charge, like those in groups 1 and 2 of the periodic table. For these, you simply name the metal cation first, followed by the non-metal anion, but you change the non-metal's ending to "ide." For example, NaCl is sodium chloride, and MgO is magnesium oxide. It's just the metal name plus the non-metal name with an "ide" ending. The second type of ionic compound involves metals that can have multiple charges, like iron or copper. For these transition metals, we must specify the charge using a Roman numeral in parentheses. You find the charge by working backward from the anion, which has a known charge. For instance, in FeCl2, chloride has a 1 charge. Since there are 2, the total negative charge is 2-. To balance this, the iron atom must have a 2+ charge, making the name iron, 2, chloride. Similarly, FeCl3 is iron, 3, chloride. Our third category involves polyatomic ions, which are charged groups of atoms that act as a single unit, like nitrate and O3. The rule here is to name the cation, then name the polyatomic ion exactly as it is, with no ending change. So, non-O3 is simply sodium nitrate. Now, let's switch gears to covalent compounds, formed between two nonmetals. Here, we use Greek prefixes like d-, tri-, and tetra to show the number of atoms. The rule is, prefix plus the first element's name, then a prefix plus the second element's name with an "ide" ending. We usually drop the mono- prefix for the first element. So, CO is carbon monoxide and CO2 is carbon dioxide. A more complex example is N2O4, which is dinitrogen tetroxide. Finally, a quick look at acids. Binary acids like HCl, which are just hydrogen and one other nonmetal, get the prefix hydro- and the suffix -ic acid, making it hydrochloric acid. Oxyacids, which contain a polyatomic ion, have their names based on that ion. An ion ending in -ate, like sulfate in H2SO4, leads to an -ic acid, like sulfuric acid. An ion ending in -ite, like sulfite in H2SO3, leads to an S acid, like sulfurous acid. So there you have it, a quick guide to naming the main types of inorganic compounds. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and easy to understand, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more chemistry tutorials. If you have any questions or want to see a video on another topic, please let me know in the comments below. Your support means a lot. See you next time.